Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to accept only alphabets and space in field in formidable form in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to allow user only enter alphabets, not numeric value. So this is our text field. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see posted field ID 27. So this is our field ID. Now go to form. So this is our text field. So when you click on it, then you see ID 27. So this ID 27 we are using in custom code. Now you see, and then you see alphabet and space. And then you see custom message. Only alphabets and spaces are allowed in this field. So you can customize this message according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. And then you see text. So we are going to add some information. Now first add number and then click on submit. Now you see error. Only alphabets and spaces are allowed. Now add some text. And then click on submit again. Again you see error. Only alphabets and spaces are allowed in this field. So we are going to add some text with space. And then click on submit. Now you see form submission done. And then we are going to add text without space. And then click on submit. Now you see again form submission done. So this form field accept alphabets, characters with space or without space. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.